see another example. Okay, and that is Leonardo da Vinci. So Leonardo da Vinci is the one who is considered one of the super genius of the century. Okay, then what he did is, many people were saying that if you see here in the scientific research currently, one night if you are not sleeping, your immunity power is reduced, and for the next 14 days your immunity power is reduced. That kind of a sentences are there. That's what the research is saying. Okay, and some people are there, of course, because if you're doing anything without the proper guidance and proper things, then automatically many things are imbalance is happening. But also those who are already experts, they are already outstandingly there. They're not discussing, not argumenting with the community, with the society. They're excelling their own on their own. For example, if you see Leonardo da Vinci, he's one expert, the genius, topmost genius. He figured out the human cycle, the rhythm, and the sleep cycles, everything. And he converted he sleeps only 2 hours a day. He divided into 20 minutes the quick nap and quick deep sleep. And every 4 hours, 20 minutes he sleeps, and 6 times, that is only 2 hours. So that's amazing, friends. That kind of a research he did, and he excelled, and he made it possible. If you divide the sleep into many times, and you can quickly receive a lot of energies, a lot of relaxation deeply, and you can work in a balanced level for the next few hours, 2-3 hours. If you go to deep sleep only, it's not like if you're not going to deep sleep. It's like deep sleep is called delta sleep. Okay, so we are having the beta, alpha, little bit relaxed. Theta is dreams, kind of that kind of relaxed, when advanced, deeper relaxation. Delta is deepest thoughtless stage, deepest sleep. So these things, you are mastering this. If you master these 4 things, the mind, if you're mastering these 4 things, that's all. You're the master of the sleep. Buddha also said that one. Gautam Buddha, when he got enlightened, he said only few things. 3 things he told. Don't do bad, do good, and train your mind. Train your mind is nothing but to have the balance on these 4 things. We are in the beta level, now we are talking. Alpha is a little bit relaxed. Theta is more relaxed. Delta is deepest relaxation. Deepest, like how you are relaxed in the deep sleep. In the same way, if you can relax in meditation that much deeply, that is what Buddha was talking about. Meditation is nothing but grip over the art of relaxation, grip over the mind. If you're having the grip over these things, then automatically what happened is, friends, my observation is, when we are having the more relaxation, more and more relaxation, if you're having in your body, more and more you're receiving the energies. Then more and more receiving the energies, you'll be having more and more bliss. That is what's happening. So there is two systems are working in our body: parasympathetic system, sympathetic system, nerve system. So parasympathetic nerve system is active when we are sleeping in the night time, and we are receiving the energy, rejuvenation is happening. But also, when you activate the parasympathetic system during the day, also in the morning time, also when whatever you are doing, you're receiving the energies. You're with the complete energies. That's what one technology we can achieve, and that's what happened with all the meditation, means being with the blissfulness, being with the relaxed, art of relaxation. Like that kind of a mastery is called enlightenment.